Hi families, it's Mr. Watson with today's video recap. Today we are talking about lesson 5.5 and we are getting ready to take off those training wheels on double-digit subtraction. So you can see here, you're going to see two kinds of problems tonight. No quick draws, although I have told the kids that they are certainly welcome to use quick draws on a separate piece of paper if they think it will help them. But they are going to see, first they'll start off with this kind of problem where everything is kind of guided and set up for them, very much like yesterday, only missing the quick draw element, and reminding them that they just need to start off by thinking about their ones column, 2 minus 5. They can't do it, they need to regroup. So crossing out the 7, bringing that to 6, crossing out the 2, bringing that to 12. We had a lengthy discussion today about always think about this as going down one digit, so from 7 to 6, and always think about taking this number and adding 10 to it and turning it into 12. As we're trying to just understand the process as we're going through it. So now you're ready to do your math. 12 minus 5, that's 7, and 6 minus 3 is 3, that's 37, okay? And then you'll have a few problems like this tonight. Then the rest, we go right into this, where there is no guidance as far as tens and ones. There's no boxes for regrouping, any of that kind of stuff. You'll see a problem like this, 3 minus 4, can't do it. Be aware, I had a couple of kids today that instead of regrouping the proper way, they actually added up. They went 4 plus 3 and they put a 7 over here. I had like at least 2 kids do that, so keep an eye out for that. Anyway, so now they're expected to know how to do it on their own. Cross out that 2, put it over here. I know some of you, and I know myself, were taught you put a 1 in front of the 3. Please don't do that. What we want them to do is cross out that 3 and understand that that 3 is now 13 and have them rewrite it above the original number. Then we can go forth and, oh, look at that. Teacher error. 2 regrouped into 1. Then we can do 13 minus 4. That gives us 9. And then 1 minus 1 is 0. We had a lengthy discussion also today about the fact that in good math manners, I always talk about math manners, and in good math manners you do not start a number with 0. So if you're doing a problem here and you got 1 minus 1 and it's 0, you know you're just going to leave it blank. That only applies to whatever the first column is. Obviously, if the difference at the end is 0, you are going to put a 0 there. All right? Tomorrow, it's all going to be problems like this with no structure guidance or any visuals or anything like that. So we're trying to see if we can successfully make that transition. Some of them will be able to do it. Some of them are ready. Some of them will not, and we'll be going back and relearning some of the tricks that we learned, the strategies that we learned to help us complete these problems earlier. Okay? That's it for today. Good luck tonight, and we'll see you in school tomorrow.